Hello, this is Tommy from Realty Executives, and I'm here to talk about CO alarms. CO alarms are devices that protect the occupants from carbon monoxide poisoning. Now, a new rule has been put in place as of January 1st, 2026. So I feel right now it is a good time to talk about CO alarms. As of January 1st, 2026, CO alarms must be installed in all levels of the home. Before, it used to be just beside sleeping quarters. Now it has to be installed in all levels of the home. If you own an apartment building or a condo, the CO alarm must be put in units near any service areas or above garages, and in most common areas. Now, this is very important if you are a renter, because if you're looking for a place to rent, your agent should be looking to see if a CO alarm has been installed. They look almost like fire alarms, so they should be very, very easy to find. This is one of the due diligence that all agents have to practice in order to protect their clients. If you have any questions, you can contact me at 416-676-1378.